So now that our download is complete, we can go ahead and install Xcode. So from the Downloads menu of the browser of your choice, go ahead and double-click the DMG file that came with the download, and from the resulting menu, drag and drop Xcode 6 into the Applications folder. That's pretty much it, except we have to wait some more. This is a pretty large packet, so it's going to take a minute for your install to actually complete. We'll go ahead and pick back up as soon as it's done. So after Xcode completed installation, I went ahead and launched it from the Applications folder, and it took a minute before displaying a dialog that asked me if I was sure that I wanted to open it. Because it's an application downloaded from the internet, I went ahead and clicked open. And if you've gone through that process, you should see a screen that looks something like this. This is where we're going to go ahead and get started on our project. So over here in the left, you're going to want to click Create a New Xcode Project. And we are going to use the single view iOS application template. So click Next. And under product name, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and put IMDb search. I'm going to leave the organization name and the organization identifier alone for now. Make sure that your language is set to Swift and that iPhone is chosen under the Devices pane. We're not worrying about core data for this tutorial, so you can go ahead and click Next. And sure, we'll save to the desktop. Here we are. This is actually our project. So let's go ahead and take a minute to get to know Xcode.